In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Semrush subscription. Now there's basically two ways to do this. The first one is to open up Semrush, go to your account in the top right, click subscription info, and from here you'll see next payment right there. Then under recurring it says active, just click on the drop down to disable recurring payments, contact us. So that's the first way, just click contact us and it will take you to this form. Now the other way is to go directly to the form and I'll go and link it down in the description. Just make sure you are signed in with the correct account and from there they will say we're sorry to and from there just answer the questions. For example, does it meet my needs? What could they have done better? And then you need to agree that all your projects will be deleted after 30 days starting the day I'm unsubscribed. Then click cancel subscription and then confirm your cancellation through the link in your email. And from there it will say your subscription has been cancelled. Now you can click back to Semrush and you'll see that now if I go back to my subscription info, then now here it will say recurring inactive. So now you know how to cancel your Semrush subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.